I've started using this as the base of all of my Gadget caches. I use 3 AA Energizer Ultimate Lithium batteries to power it. It comes in on this line, and I do that because those batteries are good below freezing, and it gets below freezing where I live in the winter. And it comes into this soft switch, which can be powered on by pushing the button. I'm not going to do that yet. Once that happens, power will go through, and it goes 2 places. First, it goes into this buck converter, which drops it to 3.3 volts, and that's what I use to power the Arduino Mini Pro. It also comes around on this line to the bottom rail, so the top rail is 3.3 volts. The bottom rail is whatever the 3 AA batteries is. It's around 5 volts, and it comes in and connects to the right leg of this transistor. Now I'm using this transistor as just a simple switch. When I send a high signal to the middle post on the transistor, it opens up the connection and lets it through and starts feeding this line to the latch here on the left. Hot goes in the red, comes back through the switch on the black, and then I actually have it go a little jumper right here back on the blue to the switch again and back to the yellow before it feeds to ground. And the reason I do this is because the blue and yellow is closed when the latch is closed, meaning the power will flow through. But as soon as the latch is open, the connection between the yellow and blue opens, so power will no longer get through. And I do that because this latch takes 800 milliamps. I don't want to power that any longer than I need to. And you can see I have on pin 3 here on the Arduino, I can send a signal to the center post to open, to let the circuit close so that the power can flow through to the latch. When the whole thing's done, on pin 9 here, I can see this yellow wire here sends a signal to the switch to turn off, and it cuts power to everything. So that's nice, helps save power. So if I turn it on, you'll see it blink a few times here. All right, turns on, blinks starting. Now it's going to close. You'll see this switch start to, yep, there it goes. It tightens up the wire inside, pulls the latch, and will release the mechanism. And then you can see it turned itself off, ready for the next player after it gets reset and the door's closed.